In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. If you want to finally take control over Permission Manager, I will show you exactly how to do it on this OPPO. Don't worry, I did it before on this and many other OPPO devices. The only problem with Permission Manager is that it's really difficult to find on OPPO smartphones. So what you should do is go into Settings and scroll to tab on Security and Privacy section. Now to find Permission Manager, scroll all the way down, click on Privacy Controls under Privacy section and choose Permission Manager over here. Now pick any feature you wanna manage. Let's start with camera, just for example, and click on one of those apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. In my case, AliExpress from not allowed one. Finally, you can apply one of those options and go back. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up first option, so when I click on it and tap on the back button, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to my camera while I'm using this app. But you can also pick any feature and look for an app you wanna manage instead, like Chrome. Finally, my favorite part, instead of picking any of those options, scroll all the way down and click on this tiny text at the very bottom. See all permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!